Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer from Bybit to Metamask. So assuming you have some tokens on your Bybit, but you want to transfer them on Metamask. So first and foremost, I'm assuming you have BNB on your Bybit and you want to transfer it to Metamask. So open up your Metamask and make sure that you're in the BNB Smart Chain network. Okay, so click on the BNB token. I'm assuming you have your BNB there. Okay. So once you click on the BNB token, click on this receive button over here. And then once you click on the receive button, you go ahead and then copy the BNB contract or the address from your Metamask. So after copying the BNB address from your Metamask, what you'll do is simple. Head back to your Bybit application. Now on your Bybit application, click on withdraw button there. So now after clicking on withdraw button, come and tap on the search bar over here and then search for BNB. So I'm assuming you have some BNB on your Bybit and you want to transfer it to Metamask. So click on BNB there. And now when you click on BNB, come and paste the address that you copied from your Metamask. So paste it there. So once you paste it there, select the network. So click on this drop down arrow over here and then select the network. So after selecting the network over here, input the amount of BNB you're having. So for this case, the minimum is 0.006. So put any number above that. So I'll put 0.8. And then after putting 0.8, I'll come and click on this withdraw button over here. And then I'll be successfully able to withdraw or transfer from Bybit to my Metamask. Okay, and that's how simple it is. So guys, if you found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet in the next video once again.